So the company Telesin's kindly sent me out some more items to review and test. But in today's video I'm going to be taking a closer look at the expansion adapter for the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. But do stay tuned to the channel as I'll be reviewing and testing the other two items in the near future. So now let's clear the table and take a closer look at the expansion adapter for the Pocket 3. Let's just get it out of the box to take a closer look. Here we go. So straight out of the box you get the expansion adapter for the Pocket 3 and also the claw adapter here. Now this has just got two toggles on the side, and if you squeeze those in, you see as it's moving, that's just going to fit straight inside of the back there. And now that's going to be great to attach to a selfie pole or a chest harness or even maybe a tripod. It really does feel solid and well made, and as you can see on both sides you've got some cold shoe mounts. So that's going to be great for your lights or microphones, which I'll get out later to show you. And just at the side here is where you find the secure latch. So you just pop that open and that's going to be ready for your Pocket 3 to get inside of there. And then you'll just simply close it back around it. And as you can see, that's going to be secure. So now let's get the Pocket 3 and attach this expansion adapter to it. Here we go. Okay, so now I've got the Pocket 3 here. Let's open this expansion adapter up and wrap it around the Pocket 3. So inside of here we've got some rubber mounting, so that's going to protect your Pocket 3 because it is quite a snug fit, as you'll see. So just line this part of the frame to the bottom of the screen there. Do take your time as it is rather tricky to get on. And then when it's flush and the buttons are clearly visible, you just get the latch there, make sure it's clipped into place, and then it snaps shut and that's nice and secure. And it does make it a lot more durable, and I would imagine that's going to be able to take a drop there. As you can see, the camera's not going to be touching if it was to take some impact there. So it protects it as well. As you can see, it looks rather sturdy. And as we've already covered, we've got two cold shoe mounts here. So that's going to be great to fix a light or microphone on. I just happen to have a microphone and a light with me. But brace yourself, it's not the correct light for this, but it's the only one I've got. I just want to show you what you can mount to the cold shoes. So on the right here, I've got the DJI Wireless Mic 2, and on the left, a rather large lighting system. So I'll just show you how to attach these. So you can see the cold shoe on the side. We'll just slide that straight in. It's going to be the same for this gigantic light. That's just going to slot in there as well. So as you can see, it looks rather odd, and I would never use this size of light with this size camera, but it's the only one I've got, and I just wanted to show you how it fits. So let's just pretend this is a tiny light and it looks a lot neater than this. So now I'll just take the light off as it looks rather strange. But you'll be able to mount that on the front or the back. It's the same with the microphone here. I'll just pop straight out and you'll be able to mount that in the frontwards position for vlogging, or as you've just seen, facing towards you. And then also you'll be able to mount it to a selfie stick, but I would advise taking the tripod off the bottom. And now that the expansion adapter is securely onto the tripod, as you see, you'll be able to get some low down sweeping creative shots with your selfie pole. And then you'll also be able to attach it to a tripod if you want to get some motion lapses or time lapses. And then you can clearly see how to attach the claw mount to the adapters. And then finally, I'll just show you how to attach it to the chest harness. That's just going to go straight onto your 1/4 inch thread there. And then again, that's a nice secure fit also. And then you'll be able to angle this in whichever direction you want, depending on what type of filming you're doing. And then it just simply unscrews and pops straight back off. So as you've just seen, the multifunctional adapter fits quite a few items there. It's going to fit on your chest harness, your selfie stick, or even a tripod. It feels really robust and well made, and as you can see, it's great to keep that microphone there, which is quite handy. And like I said at the beginning of the video, just take your time mounting this expansion adapter, because if you don't get it right and the buttons and screen isn't lined up right, this won't open. So do ensure that you take your time. As you can see, this opens and closes rather easily. So if you're interested in buying this expansion adapter for the Pocket 3, I'll be leaving a link in the description, and there you'll receive 10% off when you enter the coupon code. But for now, do stay tuned to the channel, as there's going to be plenty more videos on the horizon. Thanks for watching, be sure to hit that like and subscribe button, and bye for now.